Hi everyone, it's James in Japan. It is July 23rd, 2022. You're looking at a bunch of vending machines on this very humid night. I'm out running and I need a drink. The very nice thing about living in Japan is that you can find vending machines, and you know what? Water only costs 100 yen. Most vending machines sell a bottle of water for 100 yen. I've seen other places that sell it even cheaper, like half price. So take a look. The blue strips indicate those are cold drinks because it's the summer, but in the winter some of the strips will be red, indicating warm to hot drinks. So at the top we have sports drinks and flavored water, coffee, sports drinks. That's an energy drink, more coffee. Prices vary at this machine. The lowest price is 110. The highest price is 160 yen. So Aquarius is a sports drink. I highly recommend it. And there's a spider there. A bottle of water costs 110. That's about 90 cents US. Okay, there's a bottle of water that's for 100 yen. So that's about 80 cents US. This is urikiri. That means sold out. Dakara, that is a flavored water. It's good, but it's 150 yen. Okay, there's a soda drink called CC Lemon. That's delicious. And another bottle of water for 100 yen. So I am going to get a bottle of water, 100 yen. Okay, so you can't really see, but you see that? You can put 1,000 yen note. Okay, don't put 5,000 yen or 10,000 yen. You'll probably lose it, so don't. Okay, you can put coins in denominations of 10, 50, 100, 500 yen. Okay, so I'll do that. Okay, the brown coins are 10 yen and the silver one is 50 yen, so that's 100 yen. Okay, put them in the slot like this. This will tell you how much you've got in the machine. Okay, and then it'll light up. Notice it's blue. Press this button and get it from the dispenser. Nice and cold water. And that is it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.